Now, the security forces have launched a joint search operation in Poonch district of Jammu and Kashmir. The search operations are taking place following the reports of a suspected drone in the region. Acting swiftly on information, teams of the Indian Army, Special Operations Group and the J&K police moved into the area to conduct intensive searches. The joint teams are carrying out thorough ground searches to ascertain whether any suspicious material was dropped by the drone. The situation is being constantly monitored and further action will be taken based on the outcome of the search operation.
Major terror plot foiled by the Indian Army in the Poonch district of Jammu and Kashmir, and one IED and ammunition have been recovered from a Jot area of Poonch sector LOC. According to information, security forces launched a massive searches today early in the morning. A post or drone movement was spotted in that area, and immediately during the searches, when launched after drone movement, they have recovered one packet, suspected packet from the Ajot Nala area in Poonch district near the line of control, from which they have recovered one IED box, which is likely explosive or IED, and ammunition of AK series rifle, from the spot. After this recovery was made, high alert has been sounded because they also are trying to investigate and doing the searches over there that whether there is anything else in that area or not, because this recovery was made by the Indian Army post a drone movement which was spotted in that area early in the morning, and after that they have launched massive searches in that area, and during the search operation they have recovered this ID and ammunition from that area. Now investigation also started to ensure that if any terrorist or any receiver is spotted hiding in that area, they also has to be nabbed as soon as possible, because there were already input with the security agencies that Pakistan want to push in the terrorists in the Jammu and Kashmir, and also they want to carry out major attacks in the Jammu and Kashmir on during the New Year celebration. So that's why this is a major success for the forces, and investigation is still going on. With Bunty Rajesh, India News X.
Now, on the eve of the New Year,